think election maru. I think no would to Calvin, right? Yeah. No would to Calvin. No. Again, Calvin is elusive from John. Can you want to Deliverance Church and a lot of negative videography, I think, for St. Luke Church. So Nairo Rado so now elections I think we once met Kanen Kijana Money. So Romeo, Kijana Money ready Kijana Mage, Mageo. Romeo watch on a mono a two. Otherwise, Okalua Kele Siasa. Another man encourage the comrades to make wise decisions for 2027 or not. Because during elections, the soft spot our politicians will always go for are the students in colleges and the students in universities. Don't get a man. So you have a lot of energy. But of course, I don't want to can't you biro you to never want to take on. You don't get a man. Who we want to take on. Can't you biro you? We were nyanja, we never want to take on. You don't get a man. Because as a country, we have so many challenges. Unemployment of the government challenge, Mar award, Katamara accounting. It is a national problem. The national problem now. Injalomana solve it with the voice of the young people, with the voice of the comrades. Okay, come on. Echin kanyo comrade they give very powerful voices. Kanya parna lumane one college with the likes of Uweno Gini and all these people. Comradeship used to be a very strong voice, and we used to use that strong voice so that we impact the country and even change legislation. And Kanya man one of the okay, come on, because it's Poli and come and give voice. I think it has grown so much. But when you pass a statement as Kisumu Poli, I'm very sure the Kisumu country will listen. I am very sure the country will listen. Okay, come on. Because I want to write. As I said to you, comrades. Who will you come and tell no? You have a say, even in politics, Magoma local kind. The man of the MP, comrades of Nicodem Mabel, I'm very sure that I'm an MP, my Kisumu Central. Okay, come on. Come on, I think we are in 2027. I said the MCA. For 2 terms. I said they were tested. The MCA man represent Kodele for 2 terms is not an easy thing. Okay, come on. Because you know the hearing out of the MCA, don't obey the MP. They okay and maybe. Don't get a man. I don't know who we are, but don't allow you. Allow me was not allowed. I think I want to give you a big cow. I said, I'll give you a big cow to be look at my tea. They will say that carry in opponent, the papers are going to be look at my tea. We do not pay channel. Don't get a man. We are not money encourage. Please join a team. We feel will impact your life. Support a candidate that you feel will impact your life. And I say good for the life of a comrade. I know what it means. Sometimes just to learn at a school. Don't get a man. I am a living example. I tell people, if without help, they no can get a because even if you don't get so many tickets, you can do what you can. Give me no tickets because I am what I am today. Just because the mercy of higher education laws. There were no parents, there were no relatives, there were no godfathers, there was no one. So one else, Jamana Yod, Okasan, you everything, I told you, school fee, I don't know how much? 3,000 Kenyan shillings. For it, a land, Igato, a land of Moka Gang at Angata. But this is a Lufadi, so I am Manyata, you say he's any college of Some, Atachara, Ledo, for another one, you're listening to Fadi. I don't know who you my way at Nairobi, now no enjoy life, I was any age of Dalaway. Quran Maya Mayatania is survive now. Emomi Corona Bedom Jan. By the time I was in college, I left college, and I owned everything in that college. I was owning the student center, I was owning everything just from 3,000 Manaya money. So I don't want to encourage as a young comrade. Just believe in whatever we believe as a comrade. To work as a team. Management will be a team of Kai. Man will call your fellow comrades. Obu together, but I'm going to go for next year. I will be looking at our single years with one who are better paying one of our siasa. Kika Leon Maranga on a long siasa. Okay, come on. And yes, I point and Mara Moromati, and Kika Pash Kalamari who want a new child who are better paying. Marmon watch out the way forward, Marcus Center. Now, what was Okawan? Ukawatch me, the Machungo of Central and not one. Ukawatch me, the Mapium Central, or Goro with Depi Marcus Central. But because Kisumu Central has got a tradition of one importing leaders, what we live, Anaka Kisumu Poli, me, Natopijani, also more Poli, my be a ground cap, my Samoro grow, more tip the water map more here. That has been the tradition in Kisumu Central. Tell me, I want to change the pattern. I want you to go and get a market from Nairobi. Our Kato made MP. wanyalo golo nyaka MCA oya in other counties ma wakelka ma bed MP. Ang'o ma mono wabe wang' wacho ni wuodwa wabe wan mana gi kijana mosedak e geto ka mobed MCA for 2 term ene ma koro wang'awe malo mondo obed MP. Kwayo koso ka kwayo. Kama mnaona sitoshi. Koso na karomo. Yeye nyalo golo pesa maliel kama upa chaka ketu ka kila ng'ato Islam punya nyeolah. Orang kaya nyeolah. Ini kalau orang yang kali kita kan kijana masuk Kisumu Poly. Aku kue mrembo ambaye anasoma Kisumu Poly. I just want to tell you that hata wewe unaweza. Sio? Kama Swaga anaweza toka from Islam, akuwe MCA, akuwe deputy speaker, saa hii akuwe chair wa budget, anaenda kuwa MP. Hata wewe ambaye unasoma Kisumu Poly. Wewe pia hiyo kitu ambayo una dream unataka kuwa. One day I'm very sure we will open the door. Sindio? Na ndio anasema chagua Swaga niende pale nifungue mlango so that isikuwe a seat for only the rich people. Isikuwe a seat for only the privileged people. And there young God murubeni kana ngamo somo Kisumu Poly bichi moronya lo biyo mali mabedi. Watu kwa soka watu.